How to fix command. Prompt. Not opening or working. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type Windows Update. If any updates are available, install them and make sure your Windows is fully updated. Second, open the search bar again, type PowerShell, and run it as administrator. Now copy the first command from the description and paste it into PowerShell. Then wait for the process to complete. After that, copy the second command and paste it into PowerShell and wait until it finishes. Once all the processes are complete, restart your PC. This should fix the issue. That's it for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.